Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Break Whiskey Box Break. This was a 2013-2014 Upper Deck SB Game News Box Break number 10.
Here's the last one up for auction. There's Edmonton.
So on the box is any 221-420-489. That's any 221-420-489. So here we go. Good luck, everybody. Got Authentic Fabrics dual jersey of Drew Stafford and Thomas Vanek for the Sabres. Authentic Fabrics jersey of Nicholas Backstrom for the Capitals. Authentic Fabrics jersey for the Kings of Jeff Carter. We got a rookie Fabrics jersey, short printed jersey number 56/89 for the Senators of Corey Conacher. And the last pack. Got an authentic rookie of Elias Lindholm for the Hurricanes. And there we go. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.